Digital transformation is happening at an unprecedented pace, accelerated by the urgent move to remote work. And yet in AEC, teams, processes, and data remain disconnected. So where do we start? We start with BIM. Putting data at the center with cloud-based collaboration technologies. We then bring design and coordination teams together by connecting BIM data with construction workflows on a common data environment. We enable anytime, anywhere access to the design tools that you love to use, generating powerful insights to drive better decision-making. For the first time ever, Autodesk connects all of this together with BIM Collaborate Pro. This is where real-time co-authoring in Revit, Civil 3D, and AutoCAD Plant 3D meets automated clash detection, where issues can be quickly identified and resolved. With BIM Collaborate Pro, you can simplify design management for remote and distributed teams, while complying with the latest industry standards. BIM Collaborate Pro empowers teams to keep projects on schedule with real-time design collaboration. Understand edits in context using intuitive change analysis. Assess constructability through automated clash analysis. Consolidate issues management to reduce rework and change orders. Control project document access with multi-level permissions and data exchange management. Realize better outcomes through advanced project analytics. With design teams on BIM Collaborate Pro and project reviewers on BIM Collaborate, you can speed up model review, improve communication, and deliver better designs. BIM Collaborate Pro is the next step in your digital transformation journey. Better design collaboration, better project coordination, better starts now.